Hi everyone, this is Kibo Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang Dawn Bell compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Dawn Bell has to offer for today's video.
Kung may mga eksena na may ibang mag-flow sa amin ni Bel, gagawin na lang yan.
Ay, ano yun? Bakit naputol? Wait, Dawn Bell briefing. Ay, yun lang yun?
Have fun. Saka kung may
Wait. Okay, na-stop talaga siya dito.
have fun. Saka
Oo,
kung may
na-stop
mga
na.
eksena na may ibang mag-flow sa amin ni Bel, gagawin na lang yan.
Na-stop nga siya.
Hi, Kapamilya! Get your tickets now! For tayo sa wakas because finally showing na po ito in theaters starting tomorrow!
They are so happy. Happy sila. Actually, feeling ko gusto lang talaga nilang mag-explore pa about their talents. Kasi totoo nga din naman talaga. Pero kasi si Belle nag-start na, si Donnie nag-start na din in their solo era no? Ay, what is this? Ay, hindi napanood na natin. Ay, ano to? Here at SM naman. Ay, hindi napanood na natin to.
Do you think I'll still be an important person in your life 20
Ay,
years
oo
from now?
naman.
Of course!
Of
You were a big
course.
part of my life. Ba't ngayon pala nag-live? Promise talaga.
Parang baby.
Tapon niyo yan.
Parang baby. Okay.
Guys!
Hi guys, I'm Donnie
Fresh,
Pangilinan.
no?
Hi guys! Ako po si
Ang
Belinda
fresh nila,
Mariano.
no?
Yes.
And what is your relationship with each other?
Ay.
Ano
Oh.
nga sinabi natin last time?
Kayo na bahala.
Kayo na bahala.
We are soulmates.
Yeah.
Soulmates. We are soulmates.
Siyempre, knowing na last na namin, ano siya, bittersweet.
Been really emotional going through these last few weeks kasi syempre sa shoot pa lang, yun yung sinasabi na natin, di ba? Just enjoying every moment but at the same time being so
Tapos?
grateful, feeling so blessed.
Like, scale of 1 to 10, rate how well you know each other.
Parang 11 eh.
Wow.
Hindi ko alam.
11?
9.9.
9.7?
Hindi mo naman pag tumingin
bakit
si Nato sa
9.7?
Hindi,
kanya.
syempre,
Leave
Ang
you
lala
have
space.
to
ng
keep some
tingin ni
for
Nato.
yourself.
Tama naman, dapat ganun nga.
Given that today,
Super lala ng
we are
tingin ni
going to
Nato,
test
no?
your relationship, Don Bell, with the lie detector and the set of question cards. Ready na ba kayo?
Ayoko nito.
Anyways, napanood na natin nila. Iinan ako lang. Nire-refresh ko lang. Ay, ano ba yung psycho thriller mo?
I think that's my dream project.
Yung project niya talaga, yung psycho-psycho.
I really don't know what I want to do next
God.
kasi it really depends on the story.
Donnie?
What else? Maybe related to a kontrabida din kasi hindi ko rin
Kontrabida.
naranasan yung ganun. Diba? Parang
Never ko
akala mo
kontrabida
good
si
boy siya tapos magugulat ka sa gitna na ano yun? Bakit ganun siya?
Gwapo niya.
Siguro ganun. Yung parang ganun na
Perfect talaga siya.
genre. May
Super.
konting trailer na
Napaka-perfect niya talaga.
I don't know, something with a psycho. Siguro.
The
As
psycho.
for advice, siguro always be there for one another. Always support each other and communicate.
Yeah, kasi kaya rin namin ginagawa ito ni Belle is because we know there are so many love teams also still coming and we don't want them to feel obliged to do things that they feel pressured into doing. Siyempre, being in a love team is amazing. There are so many great perks, diba? But we also want to show them you can also be yourselves.
Yeah.
You can also find your own life, grow, and be mature. And
Tutu.
that's the reason why, even if this is something that's new and that we're not so sure, what's going to happen in the future, we really want to take this step. So we want to tell all the upcoming love teams na it's okay to be yourself. It's okay to do other projects. It's okay to, change things around. As long as you guys communicate with each other and support each other. Kasi ganun kami sa isa't isa. Sobrang open lang kami ni Belinda. Lahat
Open talaga,
pinag-uusapan.
promise yan,
So,
ha?
yun talaga yun. Yeah.
Ano ba? Okay.
Hindi
What's next? Ay, hindi na. Ay, what is this? Sana may movie. May movie na ba si Belle tsaka si Belle tsaka si Vice magkasama?
Wait lang muna tayo dito. Sa settle muna natin.
Parang wala pa, eh. Shucks, hindi natin makikita si Belle and si Vice and Donbel na magkasama sa projects. Ano ba yan? Handa sana yun, no? Donbel, no? Pak! Wala na. Saan dalahin? Pati Donnie? Sino to? Si Kyle.
Not just falling in love with your partner, it's also falling in love with yourself. And we forget that sometimes, diba? And I think that's one of the biggest
Huwag niyong
things.
kalimutan na mahal ninyo ang
We're
isa't
so
isa, ha? May
Is
ganun
that
talaga
you can't forget
atake.
about yourself.
May ganung atake talaga ako.
Diba? Kasi
Please, huwag niyong
if you have
kalimutang
two
mahalin niyo
incomplete
ang
people,
isa't
that doesn't
isa
make
for
one whole.
today's video.
Not to make it worse. Or,
It could make a relationship turbulent.
so, it's those types of things that I think
Grabe ang boses
matter
ito.
the most.
Seryosong seryoso.
But yeah, I think mas ganun, mas finding our own paths and not forgetting about our own journeys. So
Ay,
yeah, we've done so many projects, diba?
anyway. Ay, wait. Oh, sa set. Is this a set?
Ayaw pa rin talaga.
Kapalit talaga.
Ayaw talaga.
Okay. Oh, whatever. Anyways.
Paano mo nakilatis na si Belle ang magpapaibig sa'yo?
Ay! Oh my God! Hindi ko to nakita. Meme, paano mo nakilati sa si Belle Mata na papaibig sabi? At hindi talaga nagreklamo si Donnie Don.
Parang mamahalin ko to.
Hindi talaga nagreklamo. Ano, hindi ko to nakita. At hindi talaga nagreklamo si Donnie Don. I swear.
Paano? Kasi di ba nararamdaman nyo agad yung unang tingin? Parang, layo.
Alam mo talaga yun. Good job kayo. Julia Modest. Julia pa nila to. Okay. Ano to?
Thank you po.
Talaga nito. Hindi lahat yan.
Hi, Miss
Anyways, so this is it for today's video from Don Bell. This is Kiki Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye.